Hello all, welcome to a new video in Linux command line tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about less command. In the previous videos, we have seen how to create empty files using touch command, how to view the type of file using file command. We are going to use less command to view text files. Now let us run less command and see how it can be used. So first let us see the contents of the current directory. Current directory contains long and short, which are two files created by me. So let us see the contents of short using less command. The general syntax of less command is command name and then argument is the path to the file you have to view, which is short in my case. So let us view short file, press enter. You can see that the less command shows us the text files in a page view whose width is width of the terminal and whose height is height of the terminal. You can see that the short files ends in the middle of the terminal. So what happens when the contents of a file are very large and can be fit in a terminal? The answer to that question is very simple. Less command has some commands or options which can be used to navigate large files. So one of such option is to quit the less page view, you have to press Q. So quitting the less page view by pressing Q. Now let us see long files and learn some options to navigate large text files. You can see that the file doesn't end here. So in large text files, to scroll down one line, you can use J key to scroll down one line and K to scroll up one line. J scrolling down one line and K to scroll up one line. And you can press space key to scroll forward one page. Pressing space scroll forwards one page. Another space scrolling pages. To scroll back one page, you have to press B key. B to scroll back one page. And to move to the end of the file, you can press capital G. To move to the beginning of the file, you can press small g. You can also search in large text files using forward slash. So pressing forward slash and you have to input the character pattern you have to search. So let us search for 5 and press enter. It shows the first occurrence of 5. And then to navigate to the next occurrence of 5, you can press N key. So quitting less. Well, there is another command to view text files in Linux, which is more command. You can call more command a predecessor of less. It is generally used in older versions of Unix and Linux, but it has some disadvantages when compared to less. In more command, you can only scroll down. You cannot scroll up. You cannot scroll back. You can only scroll forward. So to view files, it is better to learn less command than to learn more command. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.